Alright, so first I'm going to try and install it over here on the right side of the windshield. I'm going to try to go up through there, down to there, and over to the plug. Right, so far not bad. I've gone up through there, down around, and down hidden in the weather channels there, and then I'm going to go under there. Alright, the final install, as you can see, a little bit showing there. It is tucked up in there nicely. Okay, so we can see here, going down. Yeah, that's okay, I think. And then all the way down, with nothing showing, nothing even showing here, and then it goes down there. Alright, we started the car up. This started up automatically. Yeah. Very good. Right there. You can see it doesn't really affect anything in the view, so very nice. Starts right up perfectly.